Hi, so this question is replace all questions to avoid consecutive repeating characters. So yeah, this is straightforward. So what we have is string S, and then we'll have a question mark in a string S. So what we need to do is we want to replace the question mark with another character, which does not equal to the one beforehand and afterward, right? So V and W are not going to be the character for question mark. So I'm going to just say my logic, and then you just, you can follow along. So I'm going to convert a string S to char array. So I convert to char array, and if I see a question mark, I'm going to check the previous index and the next index. So there's a problem. If a current index is 0, right, your previous index is going to be empty. And if a next index on the last part you want to assign to the empty, otherwise you just assign to whatever the char is, right? So in this one it's V and W, right? Alright, so now we will have to traverse the iteration from A to Z to avoid the previous and next. So if they are the same, I'm going to increment my count, and if they are not the same, I'm going to assign. So yeah, so this is actually straightforward enough for the question. So I'm going to say char array, I'm going to call result. So it's going to be s.to char array, right? I convert to char array. So, and then I traverse from beginning to the end. It's going to be result.length I++. And if I see the question mark, and then I will have to say result I. I'm going to write a helper function called pick. It's going to result an index, right? Later on I will just say, okay, now I need to convert back you to the string. So char array to string is using the new string function. So I need to create a char pick method. So it's going to be char array. I'm going to just rename to index. So yeah, you have pre and also next, right? So if your I index is actually equal to 0, right, you want to just say empty. Else, basically, array I -1. And next is going to be if your index is equal to array.length -1, then it's empty. Else array I +1. Yeah, right. This is straightforward. And then I'm going to just initialize my current char to C, and later on I will return C, but I want to avoid the conflict. So pre equal to C or next equal to C, I'm going to increment my C, right? So I want to avoid the conflicts, but if they are the same, I'm going to increment my character. Where is the problem? I forgot the index. So it should be okay. Submit. Alright, time and space. This is space, right? All of n. This is time, all of n as well. And then pick is actually a constant. Like this is like there. So the worst case for this function is actually what? All of 3, right? On the third index, on the third character, you must assign for sure, because you are comparing 2 elements only. So time and space are all of them. And if you have a question, leave a comment. I'll see you next time. Bye.